Viji Dealer app is a tool for you to improve your marketing and sales. When you complete your registration on the Viji Dealer app and we verify your business, your listing gets created on the Viji Agri app, which is for farmers. When your listing is created, you will start receiving inquiries for the products that you sell. You will see these inquiries in the Inquiries tab below. You can call or chat with these inquiries to generate business. The products of brands that you sell have already been listed on the app. When a customer comes to your store, you can send product information via WhatsApp share button. You can also share test reports to farmers via WhatsApp share. You can generate quotations within 60 seconds from the Generate Quotation button located at the end of the product. Just type product and customer details, your quotation will be ready. If you are using notebooks to write names of inquiries coming to your store, it may happen that you forget following up with them. We have a lead management feature through which you can add and manage these inquiries. For a serious customer, you can add them in the hot stage so that you never miss to follow up with them. We have an extraordinary feature like post, where you create post, your post will be visible to farmers on Viji Agri app. This way you can improve your marketing and generate leads. You can add product prices to create your price list and improve listing on Viji Agri app.
You can like products to see them on the top. Share posts through WhatsApp share and increase and generate leads through comments.